Hello and welcome to Double Signature. Now in this video we'll be learning how to make tasty shortbread. In a bowl you combine the all-purpose flour, rice flour and icing sugar together. Give this a quick mix and add the butter. Now we're going to work into this. Till the dough looks like this. Now I will be placing the dough in a nylon bag to make it easier to roll. You place that into a nylon and roll out. Roll the dough out. Now since we want to get the signature shortbread shape, I'm going to partition this with a knife, with the back of a knife. Just partition this into rectangles, and I'm going to place this in the fridge or freezer for about 30 minutes so it would harden. Now this will make it easier to work with when we're about, separating the partitions. Now once it has hardened, you bring it out of the fridge and place on a wax paper or place on a baking tray. Once you place it on a baking tray, you separate the shortbread on the tray, and then with a fork you make some holes. This allows moisture to escape from the shortbread and also gives it that signature look. Once we're done making the holes, we're going to bake this in the oven for over 45 minutes and the shortbread is ready. You can enjoy this with whatever beverage you love. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumb up or hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. Till next time, bye bye.